Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you what to do if you are making double half hitch knots and you run out of rope. So as you can see, I was making my double half hitch knots around in rows and I ran out of one of my working ropes. So how am I going to fix this? Well, let me show you. We're going to bring in a second string and we're going to use this to tie around our leading rope. And our leading rope is the one that all the ropes are getting tied around. So we're going to bring that right behind it. And we're going to cross it up where it forms this little loop. It curls over and into that loop. We're going to pull it through. And then we're going to bring that rope and cross it in front to form a loop. It curls down and through. We pull that tight and slide it over if you need to so it's next to your last double half hitch. And then we're just going to tuck the rope behind. The rope we ran out of too also tucks behind. And then we can just continue as normal. So we'll take our next one and form our double half hitch knot. And that is all you do. And so now you can continue your pattern and you can't even tell that you ran out of rope. And now we are going to flip our project around so we can tuck in the ends that we had run out of and that we added so that they don't fly all over the place and ruin our design. This is what it looks like turned around, and so you can see that there are these loops kind of in the back, and all we're going to do is we're going to gently pull them loose and shove the ends into them. And that's all you have to do. Once you have it tucked in, you can trim and tape the frayed ends and then it'll be perfectly hidden. And if you need help pulling and pushing the rope through your loops, I recommend using a hook or a needle or just anything that can help you. I hope you found this video helpful and thank you so much for watching.